Alright, so I'm going to be doing the pinch weld mod today. Sorry, it's pretty windy this morning, or today, so I don't want to have the garage open, blowing stuff all around. So there's these little things there, so I'm planning to cut in between. So there, probably there, there, and again probably down there, just for the angle. And then pound it back that way and see how see if that does it. I'm getting minor rubbing like right around here with the 265s, and you can see I tried to just heat gun it, but very unsuccessfully, so hoping this will do the trick. I'm even thinking about drilling another hole like there, or even somewhere back here to put another fastener in, little body fastener. See if that'll do the trick even better. So got a little 6-inch metal blade here on my reciprocator saw. Thick metal is what I got. I was gonna try to do this last night when I took it all apart, but the only blade I had was a wood cutter, so I figured might as well just wait till the morning till I can get to Ace to get a metal specific saw. So all right, I'm gonna cut and I'll show you what happens after. Hopefully, hopefully it doesn't fall apart. Probably some of you tool guys are probably shaking their head and like, what is this guy doing? But yeah, Good thing I got a short blade. I was worried about cutting this and accidentally got some metal there. Alright, try to take the hammer and see what happens. Sorry, the video is not very secure. Let's do it this way. Well, I forgot to press play on the actual cutting. Originally I had made just a couple of cuts like there, and there, but the chunks were too big, so trying to get them to bend over was a bit tough, so I made a couple smaller ones. It's kind of a hack job, but whatever, it's alright. Use some filler primer. I'll do another coat. It's a little tacky still. I'll do another coat of that, and then I have some Hercules bed liner to cover that up, and then hopefully, I also rounded off the edges there, just to seem to. Well, I tried to round it off, but I didn't just beating it back. So yeah, hopefully the Raptor liner will keep it nice and tight and rust free back there. This is my suspension setup. Got the JBA uppers with the Old Man Emu and the Bilstein 5100 series. It's a bit dirty. There's appears to be a leak right there. Huh. Take a photo of that. I do know there's a leak in the coolant. There's a coolant leak somewhere, so I gotta figure that out. I got brand new hoses and everything, so I just need to get a new thermostat and try and just do it all at once. Here's the other side. So I did this side first, and I had kind of like the idea, oh, you know what, let's what happened if instead of just folding things over, let's just cut it. So I had folded a couple, and then these two actually just cut straight down, but it didn't quite work that great. This one is rounded off just a little bit better, I think. I could probably sand that down, but I'm not terribly concerned. And this down here, it turned out a little bit better. The goal for me was to, because it was sticking out just past the just little cover there. So the goal was to get it behind there ever so slightly, and I think it achieved the job. So yeah, I'm gonna do another coat of this, of the primer. This, and then once that is dry, probably a little bit later, I'm gonna go over it with this. So yeah, stay tuned. Alright, so got one coat on of the bed liner spray, and has a nice textured look. Got a little bit of, I sprayed a little too much there. But I think this is gonna hopefully hold well. I'll probably do 2 coats of this. I'll let this dry for a while, probably for a couple hours, and hit it with another coat before I go to bed. But yep, doesn't look terrible. I still gotta fix the liner here. Not quite sure how I'm gonna do that yet, but that's all right. Now, as I look at this, I wonder if you know, I wonder if someone could fabricate like a metal liner. Obviously, that would need to be protected. I can see, you know, this hole there. You know, there's your original holes. Yeah, I don't know. So those are all lines there. But yeah, anyway, I wonder how feasible it would be to make a cover. You know, maybe just, you couldn't really wrap it around there. But I wonder if, like, you can make a section here, you know, for this hole there, and another for just this section there. I don't know. Obviously not an engineer or anything, so yeah, I don't know, maybe someone will give it a try. But yeah, so far it looks pretty decent. I mean, eventually I'm going to do that to the whole thing, so I'm going to have my Raptor liner kit there. Getting a compressor from the boss. There's just so many imperfections on this car. Let's see if I can show you some. I mean, there is a ton up there on the roof, but let's see if I can find any here. I can't remember the spot there. And another spot there, kind of all over. And to kind of get it redone and repainted would cost quite a bit. So figure I'll just sand everything down. Overland bound. Sand everything down and just Raptor line it all. I think it'll be a little bit easier, but we'll see. I'm gonna plan on making this purple if I can, so we'll see. And of course, my favorite sticker so far. Alright, well, probably tomorrow I'll show you guys the finished product here. Well, there it is. Finished product. Well, this part of it anyway. I did spray some high gloss clear coat in there just because it was really tacky, so to the touch. So yeah, I'm gonna put it back together, put the fender back on, and then get everything else sorted. I wonder when it's time to get this oiled. Yeah. But yeah, see what it looks like. All right, here we go, moment of truth. Looks like there's gonna be a little bit of rubbing just right at the bottom. It's pretty good. And turn. And turn. I have 125,000 miles on this bad boy. Alright, let's see. Okay, well, while it's up on the jack still, that looks okay, but I have a feeling once I lower the car, it'll rub just a little bit, but it looks a lot better than what I did before. All right, well, there you go. I'm gonna lower it now. Very gently. And lower. Let's see, how do I do this? There we go. It's fully lowered now. I don't know. That's gonna be pretty close. If anything, it'll just rub probably like right there. But there is space, so worst comes to worst, you could probably just tack it, you know, screw to the body there, and then make a body tack with some of the fasteners there. But all in all, that looks so much better. I'm gonna do the same here. Let's see. Let's just push that back a little bit. But yep, I'll see how it goes, how it does when I take it out next. All right, peace.